And we are live here in Westlake, and this is 10408 Jenny's Jump, about to go onto the market in Sterling Estates, a 3,500 square foot home that I am going to give you a fantastic tour of here. I love big heavy doors like this. The first thing I notice is a nice heavy door. Tall ceilings as we go in, Tuscan style. Lots of metal work. I like that a lot too. Wow, that's a heavy door. I love heavy doors. Coming on in, here's the office. Fantastic little office space. Formal dining area. Okay, a little walk through there. We'll check out that in a second. I love this ironwork. Check that out. That's nice and rock hard. I love that. Okay, nice open space here. The artwork's nice. These little art nooks. We look right out to the acre lawn here. Let's check out the eating kitchen, open floor plan. Okay, so that kitchen comes in right through here, washer dryer over there. Okay, let's go check out outdoor entertainment area. This is nice. Another heavy door, I like that too. We come outside. Love this outdoor entertainment area here. The pool, you kind of see the soccer goals down there. That back structure right there, this area is zoned for an extra house, but it's just an open structure right now. Hot tub. Kitchen right over here. I love this grill. Check it out. Hey, I pointed this out the other day. What I like about this neighborhood, you see the gap between those two fences. There's actually a rule that says all the wildlife can pass through this area through the side. So on each side, there's that space there for the wildlife. Texas stone, that's Texas sandstone is beautiful. There's the path that goes down to that building. All right, let's go on back inside. The master is on the first floor. We're going to get a good tour of that in a second. So walk in. Okay, let's go on through here to the master. A 3-car garage you access through there. It's your half bath for your guests. All right, here's a downstairs master. Nice open space, tall ceilings, looks at the pool, direct access to the pool. Coming into the master bath. I like this a lot. Good closet too. Nice closet. All right, let's go on upstairs, check out the other parts of the house. Okay. We come in, we're going to go upstairs, transitions to a wood floor. Okay, a little upstairs entertainment area. Bedroom 2, 3, 4. And then, of course, we have our, there you go. Great little room here for media. Very cool. Bathroom. Bedroom. Okay, bathroom number 2, a Jack and Jill. Bedroom number 3. And bedroom number 4. Let's go over here and check out the views. Pool table's nice. Nice view.